how to add your alternate spelling on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your alternate spelling on Messenger Lite. First thing, go to Messenger Lite and now click settings, and here you will find account settings. Click on it and then click personal information, and now just click name and then click here you will find other names. Click this one here, add a nickname, and click here, and now just select this one, alternate spelling, and here you can add your alternate spelling, and after you add that just click here, save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.